Today, the focus of my presentation is Social Functions Activities Model, Social Reconstruction Model of Curriculum Design. Dear viewers, please watch the entire video. At the end of the video, there are MCQs based on the presentation. Dear viewers, let us first try to understand what is Social Functions Activities Model. The Social Functions Activities Model, often referred to as the Social Reconstruction Model, is a curriculum design approach that places a strong emphasis on addressing societal issues and challenges. Developed as a response to the limitations of traditional academic models, this approach seeks to engage students in critical examinations of social problems and encourages them to develop solutions, fostering a sense of civic responsibility and social consciousness. The Social Functions Activities Model, inspired by John Dewey's philosophy, seeks to instill a sense of social responsibility in learners. By addressing real-world challenges and promoting civic engagement, this model contributes to the development of informed and socially conscious citizens capable of making positive contributions to society. Key characteristics of Social Functions Activities Model. 1. Societal issues as central themes. The curriculum is organized around central themes related to societal issues and challenges. Examples of themes include poverty, inequality, environmental sustainability, justice, and global citizenship. 2. Interdisciplinary approach. The model promotes an interdisciplinary approach, encouraging the integration of knowledge from various academic disciplines to understand complex social problems. Students are exposed to diverse perspectives and methods to analyze and address social issues. 3. Civic engagement. Civic engagement is a key component, encouraging students to actively participate in their communities and society at large. Learning extends beyond the classroom to include hands-on experiences, community service, and social activism. 4. Reflective practice. The model emphasizes critical reflection on the broader impact of knowledge and actions. Students are encouraged to analyze the ethical implications of their decisions and actions, fostering a sense of ethical responsibility. Examples of Social Functions Activities Model. 1. Service learning programs. Students engage in community service activities that are integrated into the curriculum, allowing them to apply academic knowledge to real-world issues. For example, students might participate in projects addressing environmental sustainability or social justice. 2. Project-based learning on social issues. Curriculum units are designed around specific social issues. Students work collaboratively on projects that involve research, problem-solving, and the development of practical solutions. For instance, a project could focus on addressing local poverty through community initiatives. 3. Simulation exercises. Simulations are used to immerse students in real-world scenarios related to societal challenges. This could involve simulating a United Nations assembly to discuss global issues or a legal case to explore justice and ethics. Advantages of Social Functions Activities Model. 1. Real-world relevance. Addresses real-world issues, making learning more relevant and meaningful to students. 2. Critical thinking. Encourages critical thinking about societal challenges and potential solutions. 3. Holistic understanding. Promotes a holistic understanding of complex issues by integrating multiple perspectives. Disadvantages of Social Functions Activities Model. 1. Potential controversy. Addressing societal issues may be controversial, and careful consideration is needed to navigate sensitive topics. 2. Assessment challenges. Assessing the impact of learning on social issues can be complex, and traditional assessment methods may need adaptation. Dear viewers, let us solve some important multiple-choice questions from the presentation. Question 1. What is a central theme of the Social Functions Activities Model of Curriculum Design? A. Mastery of academic disciplines. B. Civic engagement and societal issues. C. Standardized content delivery. D. Linear and sequential progression. Correct answer is B. Civic engagement and societal issues. Question 2. Who is often associated with the development of the social functions activities model? A. Maria Montessori. B. John Dewey. C. Lev Vygotsky. D. Jean Piaget. Correct answer is B. John Dewey. Question 3. What does the social functions activities model emphasize in terms of student learning? A. Rote memorization. B. Mastery of standardized content. C. Critical thinking and real-world application. D. Linear and sequential progression. Correct answer is C. Critical thinking and real-world application. Question 4. How does the model encourage students to engage with societal issues? A. Through standardized testing. B. By memorizing facts. C. Via hands-on experiences and community service. D. Following a predetermined curriculum. Correct answer is C. Via hands-on experiences and community service. Question 5. What is a potential challenge associated with the social functions activities model? A. Lack of relevance to real-world issues. B. Controversy surrounding societal topics. C. Emphasis on standardized content delivery. D. Linear and sequential progression. Correct answer is B. Controversy surrounding societal topics. Question 6. Which of the following is an example of applying the social functions activities model in curriculum design? A. Standardized testing on academic disciplines. B. A project-based learning unit on environmental sustainability. C. Mastery-based progression through traditional subjects. D. Rote memorization of historical facts. Correct answer is B. A project-based learning unit on environmental sustainability. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shoki Bilal.